Greetings, this is Charles Darwin, and I'm here today to talk to you about a theory by Harvard anthropologist Richard Wrangham, in which he pointed out that during human evolution, starting about 1.5 million to 2 million years ago, our brains started increasing in size right about the same time that we began cooking our food. And he said this was no mere correlation, that actually cooking food allowed the increase in brain size. Now, this was not a new idea. A Life magazine article back in the 1960s pointed out that if humans were going to use these big new brains, how could they discuss philosophy if they were spending all day chewing their food? The article pointed out that raw food, whether meat or vegetable origin, was harder to chew than cooked food. Also, it pointed out that the cooked food was easier to digest. So what was new about Richard Wrangham's theory in his book, Catching Fire? Well, he gave us the numbers and showed us just how much more nutrition there was from cooked food than raw food, and what kind of nutrition, and how it would have allowed the feeding and care of a larger brain. And therefore, he took this idea out of the realm of speculation and into the realm of science. Now, he's a soft-spoken Harvard professor, but just for today, I'm going to pretend that he's Wranglin Rich Wrangham, a cowboy singer. Okay, so I'm going to put on this cowboy hat. It doesn't quite fit. Oh, I see. This hat, this is for a Homo erectus cowboy, so it doesn't quite fit on my larger head. Very well. The guitar is going to be played by Emma, who learned how to play piano from Frédéric Chopin, but somewhere along the line she also picked up the guitar. Ready? We ain't got no donkeys on the African veldt, but when I saw them antelope, let me tell ya what I felt. Antelopes and zebras and wildebeest too. I felt real hungry, so here's what I had to do. I have this big brain, that's why I got to eat. So much fat and protein, that's why I need meat. But I can't get nutrition from flesh that's in the raw, so I invented barbecue. Barbecue, barbecue, for me and for you, and later on in pottery, meat stew too. Now that's the refrain. You're going to join in with me next time. The flame of the fire heats up the meat and breaks down them proteins, makes them easy to eat. More calories to feed my brain, without which I'd die. I couldn't live on raw stuff, no matter how much I'd try. Barbecue, barbecue, for me and for you, and later on in pottery, meat stew too. This is Wranglin Rich Wrangham. Tally ho and amen.